Hello everyone, welcome to our Inside Code in 3 minutes tutorial. In today's 3 minutes tutorial, we're going to see how to change ownership using CHOWN command. CHOWN command, it's used for changing the ownership. Ownership can be given for a user or a group of users, and that's why we have a group. Let's quickly jump into a demo. I already have created few files, file 1, file 2, file 3, which is having different user. So yes, so these are the users and these are the groups. So root right now it is having the same user and the same group name. Same for the variants and same for balamt. Let's try to change the file one. So right, let's try to change only the username for this file one. CHOWN space. We'll change it to balamt space file one.txt. Now if I run this command, it will give me an error. The reason being because the file was created with a different user, which is nothing but root, and we need to run this command in admin privilege. Only then we'll be able to allow to change the file. Right now I have ran the command sudo, and if you see right now it got changed. File 1 earlier it was having root, but right now it is having balamt and root. Now let's try to change only the group name for the file 2. Sudo chown. So in order to do that, you don't need to give the username, you just need to give colon and then the group name. So group name I'm going to give it as root file2.txt. Now if I list the file, if you see file 2 earlier, file 2 was having RNs and RNs as the user and the group, whereas after running the change ownership command, we got changed the group name for the file 2. So this same can be done for a folder. It is pretty much the same. So let's try to change the ownership for balamt to a different user. Chown, and I'm going to change it to root and folder name. Folder, if you want to do it for subfolders, you need to give hyphen r hyphen capital R. If I just want to do it only for the root folder, I don't need to give anything. I can just give it like this. So we must show prefix with sudo. Now if I list the files and folders, so folder 1 got changed with root and root. I hope you have learned something new today. Try for yourself. Try to change ownership and group for from one user to another user. I'll also try it for a folder and its sub content. That means including the subdirectories with the help of hyphen capital R. See you in another video. Take care. Bye.